एक मिनिट
झाले आणि तुमची ऑपोजिशन MLA सगळं तुमची झाली.
हय आज बेसीक सुरवातेक आमी स्पिकराक सांगलेलें आसा की जे ऑपोजिशनाक एक्स्ट्रा टायम दिवपाक जाय. वेन आय से एक्स्ट्रा टायम, एक पद्दत आहली की एक क्वेश्चन ऑपोजिशनाक येतालें आनी मागीर रुलिंगाक येतालें. आज लिमिटेड ऑप्शन आसा. दीस गव्हर्मेंटाचें करप्शन, हें गव्हर्मेंटाचें जे अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रायसीस इन द हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट वयता थिंगा लोकांक मान घालपाचे प्रयत्न, मर्डर्स, क्रायम्स, रेप्स, हे सगळे जरी तर चयल्यार फ्रॉम द लास्ट असेंब्ली टील नाव several issues need to be discussed because Goa today is in a crisis, and this we explained to the honorable speaker that extra time should be given to the members of the opposition. We saw that several private members resolution have been put by people in the ruling. This shows that the government itself is not functioning, and they purposely abstain when their chance comes for private members resolution. It is basically, this is also what we highlighted. We have told the honorable speaker, answer je amka dita, they do not give them within 48 hours. So these questions should be uploaded on the portal in advance. After that, je calling attention, amka extra chance dipak jay, pressing issues that are basically today has put us into an economic crisis. हेही आमी त्या वेळार स्पिकरा लागीं मागलां. त्याच पद्दतीन जेन्ना आमी ऑल दी ऑपोजिशन MLAs वी डिस्कस्ड ऑन द स्ट्रॅटेजी, वॉट शूड बी द स्ट्रॅटेजी on the governor's address, what should be the strategy thereafter, and definitely you will see ki each assembly, although it is technically 4 days of discussion, barring the governor's address, you will see that all of us together will make sure that this government is grilled. All the MLAs, we discuss different strategies across issues of law and order, crime, of issues of financial crisis, of environmental damage. All these issues were discussed in length, and definitely we will coordinate together and make sure की या BJP सरकाराक जे सरकार परिवर्तनाच्या नांवान आयिल्लें, आज कसलें परिवर्तन इमी केलेलें आसा. आज वयता थिंगा लोकांक त्रासान घालेले आसा, यूथ जावं, सिनियर सिटीजन जावं, भुरगीं जावं, वयता थिंगा education sector is failing, all the sectors are failing. So this government's failures, we will make sure that we expose, and I am confident that all of us will speak as Goenkars, leaving our party ideologies and all that separately, because today it सातूजा आम आहे आणि म्हाका विश्वास आहा सातूयजा आमी एकठांय जायन ह्या सरकाराक ग्रील करतले.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.